Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your PNC Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in pnc.com and then click on enter. Now at the right side you will see a sign in button. Click on it. After that, type in your user ID and password. You can also check this box to remember your user ID and password on this website. Or if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset your user ID or password. Now click on this button to get logged into your PNC Bank account. If you do have PNC Bank account and haven't enabled online banking, then click on this link and follow the instruction to activate online banking on your PNC Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.